The COVID-19 outbreak has transformed societal norms, and that includes wearing a mask for the protection of ourselves and others. With the normalization of daily mask use comes unprecedented challenges. We are Team 43, a group of engineering interns working with Case Western Reserve University and Cleveland Clinic, and we have developed AMP Up as a solution to address these challenges. Here is our team that you will meet throughout the presentation. One of the core needs that our solution focuses on is verbal communication, which is largely subdued due to the shielding nature of masks. According to a survey that was conducted with 76 participants, the top 3 challenges of wearing a cloth or surgical mask are poor breathability, physical discomfort, and difficult human interactions. Wearing a mask directly impairs our ability to communicate well with others, and leaves us to rely on nonverbal communication skills as we maintain a 6-foot distance. Some situations where muffled voices pose an issue are having socially distant conversations, talking to those hard of hearing, working with customers or patients, and speaking at a protest. This problem affects everyone's daily lives, so our team is called to design an effective and comfortable mask that amplifies vocal volume.
We present to you AMP Up, a mask made for human connections. AMP Up consists of 2 main components, the electronic and the mask shell. The battery-operated electronic component features both low-pass and high-pass filters to reduce background noise for better audio quality. AMP Up reusable mask shell is made with FDA-approved thermoplastic polyurethane, allowing the mask to be more flexible than masks printed with PLA, to provide a better fit to the wearer's face contour. The gasket seal provides a more comfortable feel in your skin, as well as a benefit to prevent fogging for glasses wearers. And what's more, simply use rubbing alcohol or sanitizing wipes to clean the mask within seconds. 2 replaceable N95 filters and a large breathing volume improve the breathability and ultimately the comfort for the user. And say goodbye to ear discomfort with this lightweight design and the head elastic strap. Our initial prototype of the mask shell was 3D printed with a cheetah flexible filament, and electronic components were assembled to function on a breadboard. We're looking into ways to reduce the size of the electronic by making a custom printed circuit board.
So, why this design? We came to this design using a weighted decision matrix, which helped us determine the most significant factors for the best design with a focus on enhanced communication. These were found based on our initial survey and our own personal experience. We had people try on our prototype and fill out a survey to provide feedback. 2 components we still need to work on improving are the breathability and fit, so we will evaluate the elastic we used for the strap and a slightly larger volume. Aside from the fit, the mask had positive feedback with decreased glass fog and improved communication, which will greatly impact the human interactions that masks have been affecting.
As for our implementation plan, we plan to commercialize this product to bring it to market for our target audience, as well as have an open source solution aspect through a website where individuals can make their own mask using our designs. In order to commercialize, we will look to partner with other entrepreneurs or companies to help us effectively bring this mask to market with proper funding. As seen on the screen, there's a timeline depicting the next steps we would have to take until we reach mass manufacturing. The open source solution aspect of our plan allows for individuals to print their own mask shell with the right equipment and materials using our designs, as well as provide an example on how to assemble the electronics. Mass production of our mask would allow for the cost to be decreased by at least a 50% margin, as seen in these tables comparing the estimated cost of the prototype and estimated cost when mass manufactured. In the validation survey taken, people said they would pay anywhere from $15 to $40 for this mask, which gives us a large profit margin based on the cost of production when mass manufactured. Thank you so much for your time and listening to our pitch for AMP Up.